Let us all practice the preposition N using 30 sentences. Sit in the chair. Put your phone in your bag. Place the dishes in the sink. Leave your shoes in the hallway. Write your name in the notebook. Store the files in the cabinet. Park the car in the garage. Keep the keys in your pocket. Pour the milk into the glass. Sit in the front row. Fill the form in the office. Keep the money in the wallet. Wait in the lobby. Sign your name in the space provided. Hang your coat in the closet. Check the time in the schedule. Place the flowers in the vase. Leave the message in the mailbox. Sit in the middle of the room. Stand in the corner. Write the detail in the form. Keep your document in the folder. Sit in the circle. Stay in the shade. Park your bike in the lot. Look for the book in the library. Put the grocery in the cart. Find your seat in the theater. Enter your pen in the keypad. Place the letter in the envelope. Can you give your own example? Write them in the comment.